Hi Hari, today we are going to draw a circle drawing, circle scenery, a panda looking over the wall on the other side. So this is a full circle and half circle here. Let's draw a straight line to draw the brick wall. Alright, let's draw some straight line. As we're drawing the freehand sketch, so brick walls looks like this. Let's put some bricks too. Alright, so this is a brick wall. Let's draw the panda here now. This is the eyes of the panda and another eye here. This is the nose. And the face. The front hands on the right side. This is hand on the left side. And two ears. Another ear here. Ta-da! It looks like he's looking on the other side. This is a flower vase. Let's put some flower over it. Alright, here you can see a tree branch. Tree branch. Okay, few leaves on each branch. Here you see also few leaves. Let's do little detailing of the brick wall. If we put little shades and make it a little darker than the other side, so this half part, it's look like the brick wall getting more visible. Alright. Also, we can put some shades around panda too. Okay. So this is a nice drawing. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Do the practice and put the bell icon to get the new updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.